In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to WordPress in 2025. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, making it simple for you to follow along and get your website up and running. So let's get started. First, you'll need to decide where you're going to host your WordPress site. You have two major options, WordPress.com or WordPress.org. WordPress.com is hosted by WordPress itself, which simply means you will connect your domain to their service. Whereas with WordPress.org, you would install WordPress on your own Hostinger hosting plan. Most people using Hostinger prefer the self-hosted option with WordPress.org due to Hostinger's convenient one-click WordPress installation feature. Once you've chosen your hosting option, it's time to log into Hostinger. Head over to the Hostinger H panel and log into your account. From the dashboard, make your way to your hosting plan. It's crucial to ensure your domain is already added under the Domains section to ensure everything works seamlessly later on. Now, the next step is to point your domain to your WordPress hosting. If you're using Hostinger's hosting plus WordPress, you'll want to access hPanel, then head to the website section and click on Auto Installer. From there, select WordPress and proceed to install it on your domain. During this setup, you'll need to create an admin username, password, and provide an email. Once the installation is complete, your WordPress site will be live, and you can access it by navigating to your domain's admin dashboard at yourdomain.com/wwpadmin. For those opting to use WordPress.com hosting, go into Hostinger's DNS zone editor by navigating through hPanel to Domains and then DNS. You'll update your name servers to match WordPress.com's list, which includes NS1, NS2, and NS3.wordpress.com. Once you've saved these changes, it typically takes between 24 to 48 hours for them to propagate. Meanwhile, in WordPress.com, go to Domains, then Add Domain, and select Connect Existing Domain. Enter your Hostinger domain, verify the connection, and you're set. Moving on, it's essential to set up SSL for secure browsing through HTTPS. Within Hostinger hPanel, find the website section, click on Manage, and then move to Security. Enable the free SSL certificate offered by Let's Encrypt. Finally, ensure your WordPress URL is using HTTPS. Lastly, it's time to add those finishing touches and begin customizing your WordPress site. Log into your admin area at yourdomain.com/wpadmin. Install a theme by going to Appearance and selecting Themes. Don't forget to add valuable plugins that enhance your site's functionality, such as SEO plugins, security tools, or page builders like Elementor. You will also want to create foundational pages, including a home page, an about page, a contact page, and a blog section. And there you have it. With these steps, your Hostinger domain is now connected to WordPress, and you're ready to start building and customizing your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy building!